Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about programming because here in Sweden, the programming Olympiad maybe has you can qualify. So we will try to do that. But first, we need to take some creatine, monohydrate, of course. So let's go to the computer. Well, this is how it looks. So what we're supposed to do here is this. These are fire hydrants. This red, and we are the green one. So these we always start at 1-1, and we want to go to the top right corner. So we want to figure out how to get the least water on us with a algorithm, of course. But what we need to do, the problem is that these leak. So for each step we take, the time increments, as you see here, T0, T1, T2, T3, and so on. So each time the time increments, the water points per square increments as well. So you see, first it starts off with 1, then it gets 2, and it spreads to the square next to it with 1, and so on. So the question is how to get the least amount of water points, and that's what I am gonna try to do. I looked at the questions that will come later, and they really are, and I don't know if I will make them, because it was a while since I did these kinds of problem solving stuff, like Code Wars, and I don't know if I did lead code. I don't know, but you know those sites, Code Wars, lead code, and so on. So that is what I am trying to do today. I have till tomorrow, I think that's when the qualification ends. I'm still sick. You may hear it in my voice. So I don't have much else to do. I need to do some school work as well, maybe. I ordered a book from Tim Ferriss called The 4-Hour Work Week. So I'm waiting on that, and I heard some pretty good reviews, so that will be a pretty good read. What else? Yeah. I know this is not optimal to just drink it this way in water, because you should eat something when you take it, because it stays in your body better. Otherwise it may just come out, if you understand, in the toilet. So I may need to get something to eat as well, probably a fruit or something. It works well with juice as well. Um, I have done how many? I done one. I think 3 or 4 of these questions, and they are 8. I went and looked ahead a little bit, and I saw the snowflake question. If you have done this, it seemed very hard. You got an 2D array, and you needed to check if it was symmetrical on the vertical, and you also needed to find out if it looked the same when you rotated it 90 degrees and stuff like that. And I think if you just take it one problem at a time, like build a function that's rotated 90 degrees, and it's one function that looks if it's symmetrical on the vertical and stuff like that, then I think that it may be an easier problem. So that's probably my approach. That's my approach on all of these. I just create small functions, and that would probably solve the problem. I think that is a good approach to every problem you have. Like if you're studying, you should also break it down into smaller problems. Because if you just see the big problem, you will get your brain starts to panic, and you will probably start to procrastinate or just don't get the thing done. So just take it in small steps, and you'll probably get better off. So, what else? Yeah, I didn't do a video yesterday because I was really tired, but I am here. So, yeah, I'm not dead. So, the program Olympiad. I am doing the online qualification because I am not at school, as you see. Yeah, programming is pretty fun when you get into it, and if you haven't programmed, I really advise to start, because it teaches you much about problem solving, and you need to be able to problem solve in pretty much every aspect in your life. You need to be able to see a problem and not get scared of it, but take it in small steps, as I said, and just solve it, and then you will be better, become better at that, and then you can do it more and more and more, and more complex problems, and then you can solve everything, which is a pretty good feeling. Probably I can do that yet, but yeah, that's my rant for today. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.